In today's video, I'll explain to you on how you can get your streak back on Duolingo. Now you can repair a lost Duolingo streak using an in-app options like purchasing a streak freeze before you basically lose it, or a streak repair after losing it with gems, or by manipulating your device time and date to complete lessons offline for missed days. Basically, it will go ahead and look something like this, where you have to spend your gems in order to purchase one of these items depending on your situation. Now, another method or solution that I've mentioned is to basically set your device date back to the day you missed. You want to go offline or airplane mode and complete a lesson. You want to sync your device back online from there, and basically you want to repeat for each missed day, changing the day forward each time. Now, as a important consideration, we have no free monthly repair. Basically, Duolingo removed the free monthly streak repair for super subscribers, encouraging gem purchases instead. We have app versus web. Sometimes the web version of Duolingo works better for streak issues than the mobile application. And lastly, if you're having some problems, you want to contact the Duolingo technical problem support. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.